Halfway through a 12-hour shift, the charge nurse hands you another chart. New admit, grimacing. The only English you understand is, it hurts. You have 30 seconds to sound confident. Let's practice together. Here's something most nurses don't realize. More than half of med errors in English-speaking hospitals begin with just one misunderstood phrase. Just one. That's why today we're drilling the sentences you need to assess pain clearly and safely. Ready? Let's go. I'm Karen from Fluent Nurse, a bedside RN turned medical English coach. Every phrase you'll practice today is based on real bedside communication in North American hospitals. No fluff, just what works. Can you point to where it hurts? Show me the exact spot. Does the pain stay here, or does it move anywhere else? Is it on the left, right, or in the middle? How would you describe the pain? Is it sharp, like a knife? Dull and achy? Burning like something hot? Pins and needles? Cramping or squeezing? Zero means no pain. 10 means the worst pain. Where are you at right now? Since it started, is it better, worse, or the same? Is the pain constant, or does it come and go? Does it ever wake you up at night? When did the pain start? How long does each episode last? How often do you feel it? What makes it better or worse? Does it stop you from doing daily activities? Doing well? Great. If you want more weekly practice, subscribe to Fluent Nurse. That way you're always prepared. I believe you. We'll work on this together. I'll keep checking back to make sure your pain is under control. It comes in waves. It hits me out of nowhere. It waxes and wanes. A dull throb that won't quit. It takes the edge off. Stabbing pain like a knife. A nagging ache. Point to it. Sharp or dull? 0 to 10? Constant or on and off? Anything make it better? 40 phrases, 0 fluff. Rewatch this video if you ever need a quick refresh, and let me know in the comments which scenario you'd like me to practice next. Remember, you're doing great. You've got this.